In this video, I will show you how to highlight the top values in a cell range in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the marks scored by the students in these columns. Now I want to highlight the top 3 mark values in a green color. We can use the Excel large function to do that. The large function returns the nth largest number from the specified cell range or an array. This function accepts 2 arguments, a cell range or an array, and the position in the array or cell range to return. For example, this large formula returns the largest number of the cell range, while this large formula returns the second largest number. To highlight the top 3 values, I will first get the third largest number from the marks range and then highlight all the cells that are greater than or equal to the third largest number. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing student marks. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula to get the third largest number and then compare it with the first cell in the range, cell C3. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the cell range reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the mark values. I am going to choose the light green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is in the top 3 values. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, the top 3 values are now highlighted with the light green color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we change any of the highlighted cell values to make it smaller than the third top value in the range, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any mark value and make it greater than the third top value, it will be highlighted in the light green color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the marked cells again. Now click the conditional formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting from the range, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the marks. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.